everyone, this is Celia Chong from OrangeTee and Thai AAG divisions. Today, I'm going to show you a beautiful apartment right here at Block 495A, Tampines Street 43, which is in the eastern part of Singapore. If you are looking for a nice place of bigger than 1,005 square feet, in a single 4-plate with space of 4 bedrooms and a study, ample of conveniences and food options, let's go and check this out. Entering from the main door, you are greeted with a spacious walkway where you can welcome your guests and fit in some shoe racks and storage. Right ahead, it opens up to a huge living and dining area, which you have a lot of space to play with. The owner has their dining sets put in the kitchen. If you like, you can place your 6 to 8 seaters dining table and chairs comfortably here with the kitchen just right next to it, so you can serve your favorite dishes piping hot straight away after cooking. Onto our kitchen, this is a huge, full-size, very cozy, idyllic English cottage-inspired space, beautifully designed and maintained, complete with tons of useful cupboards. You are able to accommodate a good 6 seaters dining sets here comfortably. There are 3 other large bedrooms where you can fit in queen-size bed, wardrobe and dressing table nicely. What I really like about this property is this very well designed study room enclosed with glass panels. This study is where it used to be a balcony. The owner made good use of the space and converted it into a study room. Next, come to this master bedroom, complete with full built-in wardrobe and cupboards. This room can comfortably fit in a king-size bed, complete with study table. Tampines East MRT is just about 2 to 3 bus stops away. For your daily conveniences, within 5 minutes walk, you can go over to Block 475 for your daily breakfast and meals, with 2 coffee shops and many eateries in the surrounding block. There is a wet market, 24 hours fair price, hair and nail salons and spas, bakeries and ATMs. Something interesting about this eco-green park. Just across this apartment, this 36.5-acre eco-park is built to resemble a savanna with marshlands, secondary forests, and freshwater ponds. And is home to many wildlife. You can really enjoy the peace and tranquility living by the park. We have good schools like Tampines North Primary, Dunman Secondary, and Gongshang Primary, among many others. Thank you for watching our home tour of this amazing unit here. If you are interested to view this apartment, do contact me for an appointment. I can't wait to show you in person.